Alright, welcome back to the back of my trunk. Let's do another quick unboxing of products I'm about to review. Today stuff comes from Nightstick, and they make flashlights and weapon lights. Alright, let's go with the smallest one. So here is a little weapon light for the 365. Takes a C. It looks like it takes a one CR123 and 650 lumens. So it says. All right. There's one. Let's move on to the next thing. This one says Flat Dark Earth, you know my color. Looks like the other one, but in Flat Dark Earth. This might not fit on the 365 rail. Probably goes on a regular rail. Also, there's 650 lumens. Little adapter kit. Looks like multiple shades right there. Looks like a little burnt bronze for focus here. Alright, I'm a fan of like the smaller lights for weapon lights. Smaller, take less room, you get a dedicated holster. Alright, put it away. Let's go to the next small one. This is a M-lock kit for probably this weapon light right here. So this is their long gun weapon light. So this one is 1100 lumens. Comes with a Picatinny rail mount. I don't think batteries in it. Alright, some instruction manual. And and the accessories. Tape switch mount, some batteries, 2 serial 123s, different offset mounting. That's probably mount for the switch kit. Alright, that is it for now. Stay tuned for all these reviews coming out. Thank you guys for watching. Please like and subscribe, it helps me out, and I hope you guys are having a good day. Alright, see you next time.